Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I made Mexican egg rolls. This came out really good. If there was any of my recipes that you wanted to try, this is definitely one of them. I'm going to start off with a big skillet and I'm going to add some oil and butter. Let it melt and let's cook up our onions. And then I'm going to let it cook up for about 3 minutes and then I'm going to add some garlic and cook it for another minute. Next, I'm going to add a chopped jalapeno pepper. And these are red and green bell peppers. Now I'm going to mix everything together and I'm going to cook everything for 5 minutes until everything is soft. Now I'm going to add a can of diced tomatoes. And here's some black beans drained. Everything has to be drained. And I'm adding some corn. Now these are going to be my spices, the ones on the screen. They add a lot of flavor. Mix everything together. I had some frozen spinach in my freezer, but you can definitely use fresh if you want. Make sure there is no moisture. Drain it, squeeze it as much as you can. Now mix it all together. Now I'm going to add some chopped rotisserie chicken, just the kind from the market. Let's make this easy. Make sure you chop it up really small and mix that in. I'm going to add a little bit of cilantro, a little bit of beef broth. I'm going to mix this together, cover it, and simmer it for 15 minutes. But you know what? I forgot one ingredient. This is an important ingredient. Some chili powder really adds a lot. Make sure you just cook it for 15 minutes. Make sure everything is combined. Now, at this point, it's really good. It's done, but it has a little bit of moisture in it. You have to add a little bit of flour, and that's going to pack my filling together. So when I put it inside my egg rolls, it's just easier to work with because it's packed together. Okay, you're going to have to let this cool off for about 10 minutes, and then we'll start making our egg rolls. But right now, at this point, you can taste this filling, and it is so good. So here's my workstation. You need a beaten egg. That's going to help seal the edges of your egg roll. Now I have my wrappers and I'm going to add a little bit of the filling and then I'm going to take the sides and then just roll it over like this, dip my fingers in the egg, and that's what seals my egg roll. Okay, I'm going to make another one, and this one I'm going to add some cheese. Cheese of your choice. I'm using Monterey Jack. Okay, just fold everything over, dip my fingers, roll it over, and just like that, I made my egg rolls. I just wanted to show you my filling. There's very little moisture in here, very little juice because I added that flour. Do not skip it. Then I'm frying all my egg rolls in some vegetable oil until they're light golden brown. Okay, you guys, these are my little egg rolls. I'm telling you, the flavor is super good. Oh, I make a lot of things. This is going to be one of my all-time favorites. Oh. Mexican egg rolls. Thank you for watching.